Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. This is the Curious Tiger and I'm Sweet Tooth. We'll be doing a tutorial on how to make teeth and gums. This is my setup and this is Naja. She's my beautiful heavy duty singer machine that I recently got. And we've got a whole bunch of little tools that I'm going to explain to you right now. What you'll need. First of all, I'm going to have some polar fleece, the teeth and gums. And then for the more advanced option, I'm going to be using coral fleece and minky. Then, you're going to need scissors, both for cutting fabric and thread. Going to need a blade for cutting out your pattern. You need air erasable and water erasable pens. Tweezers for turning things inside out. Pattern paper. Thread, sewing needles and pins, some stuffing, and sewing machine. Now we're going to draw a pattern for the teeth. I'm going to start here, just make little spikes, little mountains, and then we're going to do a canine here, and then little guys here. There we go. Now after the teeth are cut out, we're going to trace them with my air erasable pen. So I got to work fast because this thing does disappear quickly. I'm going to do there. And then this is a half pattern that I'm going to mirror just to make sure everything is nice and symmetrical. Sides. Then I'm going to cut this piece in half. So that we can have two separate pieces and then just do that. And then you just sew on the line. Back stitch. And we get to a point, make sure the needle is down so you can swivel. Now that everything's cut out, what we can do is turn everything inside out. Now what I like to do is first turn it out using just the fingers, and then I'm going to go in with tweezers and make sure everything is nice and pointy. And just grab the little point, push it all the way up. Point. There we go, nice and pointy. Now for the canine. There we go. Once your teeth are nice and stuffed with some polyfill or ball fiber, then you just sew a line here. It doesn't have to be neat on the sewing machine. And then I already have a pre-readied head. So what I've done is I've cut little holes where I want the teeth points to come out of. And then you just take these and you pop them through. Pop, pop, pop. Pull it all through. And there we go. And then you just sew around and then your teeth are in. For a more advanced style, what you can do is take some polar fleece of your gum color of choice and then pin it onto here, and then you fold and hand sew the way that you want your gums to go. something like Hayes here. It has hand sewn gums. Now you want to trace your teeth pattern onto another piece of paper, and then use your original pattern, draw out where you want your gums to be, and cut them out. You're going to take your minky and your coral fleece, and you're going to make sure both the pile directions are going up, and then turn it around, make sure everything lines up nice, and then we're going to draw this onto here. So in conclusion, we've got 3 different types of teeth that we did today. We've got the nice simple ones, like this dino. We've got the slightly more advanced ones, with Hayes the bat. Then we have the advanced ones. It's this guy. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a fun tutorial to make.